My knees, back, shoulders, neck, apparently calves, ankles. A lot of stuff joint-wise is wrong with me. Couldn't sleep right, depressed, and could not enjoy exercising with my son like I wanted to.
And so since coming to Achieve, what's changed?
I no longer really have any back pain or shoulder pain. My knees, I went from like constant 8 to a 10 to now a 2 to a 3, except on bad weather days. Otherwise, I have better blood circulation, more energy, and I'm loving all of it. The thing I like about you is y'all have a warm greeting when coming in the door. From the initial examination to the regular follow-ups, y'all walk me all the way through each time and tell me what got better or what needs to be improved. And on top of that, the healing room is very relaxing.
Okay.
And then the vibration is very ticklish. There we go. I'm not taking pills to get better. And I've been telling my family about it a lot too. Keep doing a great job.